Right, so as you can see from the title of the video, I'm giving away this drone. I have, well, purchased myself a new drone, and in the quest of, let's say, not cluttering up my life, or not holding on to, not junk, but just not holding on to things, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this drone. I'm going to give it away. I want to give it away to one of my subscribers. So hint, hint, that's the, you probably should be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, there's no point. You're not going to get much farther than this video. So, if you're subscribed and you want this lovely drone with black marker pen on it, which is where I wrote my phone number and saying call me. Hopefully that doesn't come off and you can get my number back, but whatever. The TELLO comes with one battery by default, which is, you know, pretty good. You get about 10 minutes flight time out of that. But I'm giving away both of my batteries. That's right, double the flight time. That's 10 minutes and 10 minutes, double 10 minutes. Then we've got a giving away, but that's not all. I'm also giving away maybe perhaps a better way to fly the drone, a controller where you can put your phone, if it's not too gigantic, or a phablet, then yeah, you can fly the drone. But the basic range on this drone isn't great. I'm not going to lie. The stock, you know, 10 meters approximately, or 20 meters that you can get distance before the Wi-Fi signal starts to get. If there's only something, this is a necessity. It's necessary to get this accessory. This is a Wi-Fi booster. Plug it in via USB into a USB power bank or something like that, and power it on. The drone will connect to this, you connect to that. It's already set up and everything, so it's all ready to go. We literally just need to download an app, and hopefully it's pretty straightforward. Connect to it, fly the drone, and you get some very good distance out of it. So this is pretty much the ultimate package. Oh yeah, also there's 4 props somewhere that I will also throw in. So you get a pretty nice package here, not going to lie, that's pretty an ultimate package. If you know anything about these drones, you can look them up. You'll know how good this is, you know how good this is, the batteries, the flight time, everything like that. This is a really good Babby's first drone. This is really, really good drone. The quality is okay, it's usable for YouTube. I'll put some video up now so you can see what it looks like when I've been using it in certain videos, and if you've been subscribed for a while, then you'll know that this is what I used. I've used it, I think, in a couple of my videos, definitely, but I've also used it for personal use quite, well, a lot more as well. So, more importantly, how are you going to get this drone? How are you going to win this drone? So, first of all, yeah, like I said, you had to be subscribed. I know, but that's the catch of every single YouTube giveaway, is you have to be subscribed. Here's the second catch. This is not going to be no random name pull out of a hat thing. I think I'm going to take a bit more care with it. I mean, I want to, because this drone is a little bit more than a toy. It's a bit more than a toy, but not quite a toy. So it's still on that toy spectrum, but I think you could actually use it and actually make videos with it. And I have done, so I want to see someone who actually makes videos. I actually want to see someone leave a comment below saying I want it because of, and I want someone who's actually uploads videos on a regular basis, someone who actually, like, maybe perhaps even use it, someone who would like just to, even to play with it or something. But I want to see it go to a good time. I want to see someone fly it for the first time. I want to see someone crash it into a tree or whatever and just absolutely destroy it. This thing's pretty strong though, so it's lightweight, so you know, even if it hits a tree, it's gonna be mostly fine. Maybe the props will break, but that's about it. So I want to see someone use it. I want to see someone actually use it. So that's a stipulation here. Leave a comment below. Maybe, oh yeah, throw this video a like. Leave a comment below just explaining why you want this drone. And I will be clicking through to your YouTube channel to make sure you actually upload videos on a regular basis. And yeah, but you know, I'd say, you know, if you want some tips on how to win, if you say upload on a regular basis, you've already been subscribed to me in the past, that's a bit of a bonus maybe. And then if you just say I'm going to go on a motorbike trip this year and I'd like to take this in my backpack, because the size of this is not very big at all, and it's really nice. You could just easily throw that. I've taken it camping with me and stuff like that, and it just throws in the back nice and easy. So yeah, if you want to leave a comment like that, then maybe I'm playing favoritism, but I would like to see this go to a good home. I want to see some YouTuber, another motorbiker vlogger perhaps, fly this, get a little bit of fun out of it. So yeah, I think we'd all like to see that as well, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. If you want this drone, leave a comment, and hopefully I'll upload another video. I'm going to leave this video going for 2 weeks, and I'll announce the winner either here or on Twitter or somewhere like that, so make sure you follow me on the Twitter. Oh, and make sure you check out my Instagram as well, because yeah, maybe I'll post it on Instagram. But yeah, I don't know, whatever. Okay, that's it. I got a new drone. No one wants to see that though, so I'll say that for another video. Alright then, that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you really want it, let me know in the comments with a very good reason. And I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!